You're watching the News Hour Special Edition.
Last week, the call was to topple the Haryana government by Kisan Union leaders, and now Farmer Union Neta Rakesh Tikait has given a call to take the movement to Gujarat. The leader, who has been at the forefront of the farmer agitation, claims that his next stop would be Gujarat and claimed that people in the state need to be freed.
आएंगे, पूरे देश में जाएंगे हम। गुजरात को आजाद करवाना है। गुजरात आजाद नहीं हुआ। गुजरात में जाएंगे कर रहे, तारीख रख रहे। पॉलिटिक्स का कोई मतलब नहीं, यहाँ कोई राजनीति वोट न तलाश करे इस आंदोलन में।
You're watching the News Hour Special Edition, debate number 2 on Times Now, Super Prime Time.
All our guests are back with us. Ravi Srivastava, I want to ask you, दर्शन पाल ने लास्ट वीक कहा था सरकार गिराना है हरियाणा में। राकेश टिकैत कह रहे हैं कि लोगों को छुड़ाना है गुजरात से। ये किसान आंदोलन है या राजनीतिक आंदोलन है?
आपने जो क्लिप दिखाया है उसके अंदर जो नेक्स्ट लाइन है उसमें साफ कहा गया है कि इसमें कोई राजनीति नहीं है और मुझे कोई वोटों की बात कर रहा हो उसको इसमें आने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है। He has clarified himself that what he actually wants, he wants to galvanize people against these
Ravi Srivastava, he begins by saying कि गुजरात जाना है लेकिन इसमें कुछ राजनीतिक नहीं है।
सिंपल,
ये क्या लॉजिक है सर? मेरे तो समझ में नहीं आया। पहले बोला दर्शन पाल जी ने कि हरियाणा में सरकार गिराना है, उसके बाद उन्होंने भी कहा था और हमने चलाई थी वो स्टोरी। ही सेड that this is an apolitical protest.
It is an apolitical protest. इसमें क्या राजनीति कहाँ आ गई, सरकार कहाँ गिर गई सर, ये तो बताइए मुझे। उन्होंने कहा मुझे लोगों को आजाद करवाना है। जो किसान
लोगों को, वो तो किसान के लिए लड़ रहे थे। लोग आजाद नहीं है क्या? लोग आजाद नहीं है। संजू वर्मा, पीपल इन गुजरात नीड टू बी फ्रीड। किसी तरह का फ्रीडम मूवमेंट लॉन्च किया है राकेश टिकैत ने।
Freedom from the black law. Freedom from these 3 black laws. Simple.
Okay.
That freedom is required.
Okay.
Freedom is required. That freedom is the need of the hour.
Srivastava keeps
And that is what he is working
Pranesh.
for.
Can I make my point without being heckled by this professional?
Go ahead, ma'am.
Can I please make my point? Okay, thank you, Pranesh. Pranesh,
No,
I have
once I am
said
a
this right
professional
from day
hacker, I will
one
definitely hackle
that
you.
the
If you are
farmers'
professional,
protest
you can't
is
stop me.
legitimate.
Ravi
The
Srivastava
farmers'
sir, please,
protest is
sir,
bona
I have
fide.
great regards to you, Ravi
Why
Srivastava sir,
has the man
please.
been given a carte
Mr.
blanche to
Srivastava,
intervene? What's
You
wrong
are
with this
Calm
man?
down, sir, calm down.
You
He
are a
keeps
professional
intervening.
liar.
Absolutely uncouth and
Let's
mannerless.
not get personal here. Sanju Verma, please. Sanju Verma, Ravi Srivastava, I request both of you, do not get personal. Let's be civil. Let's be civil, please.
Janta decide who is a professional liar. That solely is the prerogative of Rahul Gandhi and his paid PDs like you. Paid PDs of Rahul Gandhi.
Okay,
like
calm
you
down,
are
sir.
professional liars. We
Sir,
cannot
calm
take
down.
that
I
certificate
apologize,
away
sir.
from
उनको
you,
बोलने दीजिए, sir,
How can I
please.
take that
Let's have some
certificate
order,
of being a
please.
professional liar from a professional PD like you? You're a professional.
Sanju
PD,
Verma,
a professional
ma'am,
liar,
please.
Rahul Gandhi.
Ma'am, please. Let's be civil to each other, ma'am, please.
The fact of the matter
You are a
is-
bootlicker.
Oh
That's
my
all.
God,
Carry on
man.
now.
We can't carry on the debate like this. We can't carry on. Please, please,
I will speak after
please.
he's done.
Sanju Verma, Ravi Srivastava, I urge
Okay,
both of you, sir, please. Let's be civil, sir. Every time, you know, half the time goes in. No, 1 minute. Half the time it goes in ensuring order. ये तो parliament की तरह हो गया, sir. I feel like the helpless Peter sometime. Sir, उनको बोलने दीजिए. Then I am coming to you. Sanju Verma, make your point.
Pranesh, you are very right.
Pranesh, the fact of the matter is that the farmers are well-meaning. We have always said they are important stakeholders in the nation-building exercise. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has reinforced that from the ramparts of the Parliament House, no less. Equally, the fact that the farmer protests have been infiltrated and heavily politicized, there can be no second opinion on that. The fact of the matter is be it a Gurnaam Singh Chadhuni who contested the Haryana assembly elections from Ladwa and lost, or be it a Rakesh Tikait who contested on a RLD ticket in 2014 and even lost his deposit. All these so-called farmer
But that's in
leaders
the past.
actually have
That's in the past. I'm saying even even if one were to overlook these things, Shehzad, even if you overlook these things, what Darshan Pal said about toppling the government in Haryana and now Rakesh Tikait's call, the question is simple. Is the agitation still apolitical?
Last one on the government.
See, Pranesh, from day one it's clear किसान केवल बहाना है, इनको सियासत चमकाना है, and therefore for these political farmers or fancy dress farmers, the real MSP is maximum siyasat and politics. Now Ravi Srivastava has never seen a farm or a favda in his life, but he will come and take up the cudgels for Gujarat and other farmers who are not joining. But Mr. Ravi Srivastava, there is only one provision in Punjab law to put the farmers in prison. Is that not black for you? Is that fair and lovely law? But there you will not go to protest because it is not about kisan ki jameen, it is about Rajnaitik Jameen. Ravi Srivastava knows his Rajnaitik Jameen is left only to JNU canteen. So therefore now he has to go to Gujarat, he has to go to Haryana, and he has to use the Kisan as a shoulder for getting his Rajnaitik Jameen back.
Quick answer, Mr. Srivastava, then I bring in Deepak Jha.
Why don't our Prime Minister and why don't our Amit Shah say these things what you are saying?
They have said you are not listening, sir.
But sir,
the
the agriculture minister said this in parliament. He read about, he read out the Punjab Contract Farming Act that has a provision of fine and imprisonment. Ravi Srivastava, this was discussed in parliament. And I remember discussing it with you also. You were on that panel.
Exactly.
Sir, farmers are being addressed by Prime Minister, but unfortunately, Kisan like you are in Milan. So you have missed it. You were in Milan, sir. You were in Milan. I remember when he was talking to farmers, you in the name of Kisan went to Milan. You were in Milan.
Okay, Deepak Jha.
You are putting the barricades there. You are putting the concrete walls there. This is what you are doing. What Prime Minister has addressed?
Mr. Ravi Srivastava, where was this outrage when the Delhi police was attacked? No, in the name of tractor rally, what unfolded in the streets, where was this outrage? This outrage was missing. This outrage was missing, sir, after the farmer leaders promised that the tractor march will be peaceful. You saw what happened. After which the Delhi police only increased the deployment.
The deployment does not mean you block the roads, my dear.
Can I say something?
But you just said, one second, you just said that our intention was never to enter Delhi and create trouble. That means that your actual agenda is to create a danga. That means that you are in favor of those who insulted the Tiranga. That's why you are hailing them in Punjab. That's why you allowed telecom tower destruction in Punjab. That's why you put up Bhindranwale poster. That's why you quoted from Greta Thunberg's toolkit of Khalistan. This is your real agenda.
Okay, Deepak Jha.
is Khalistan ka jhanda.
There is nothing
Please ask Ravi Srivastava to condemn Mo Dhaliwal, to condemn Jagmeet Dhaliwal.
I'm sure he will. I'm sure he will condemn.
Can I ask one question to Mr.
Quickly.
Farmer, Ravi Srivastava? Ravi Srivastava, sir, I have respect for you, sir. One question for Mr. Farmer Ravi Srivastava. If these three laws are repealed, will the farmer get MSP?
Don't call him a farmer. He might object. Don't call him a farmer, Mr.
But it's an important question.
Mr. Srivastava might object.
One second. It's a serious question. One second, Mr. Srivastava. Mr. Srivastava, it's a serious question. Sir, please listen to the question. Sir, please listen to the question.
Sir, सवाल सुन लीजिए.
सवाल सुनिए ना सर.
आ रहा हूँ दीपक जी, आ रहा हूँ. ज़्यादा ये thoughts आ रहा हूँ.
चलिए आप इनसे पूछ लीजिए. एक फार्मर या दूसरे फार्मर, दोनों फार्मर नीचे बैठे, उनसे पूछ लीजिए. अरे चिल्लाना बंद कीजिए. सवाल
If the
can I ask the question?
Yeah, ask your question, Shehzad, quickly. Ask your question.
He's not listening. Na, he is.
Calm down. 1 minute, just 30 seconds. Let him ask the question. Coming to you, Mr. Srivastava, आपके लिए आपको ही जवाब देना है. 1 minute.
Sir, earphone निकालिए.
Ravi Srivastava ji is asking a question after which you respond. बिना सवाल सुने जवाब दे रहे हैं आप.
ये
Sanju Verma, 1 minute. Sanju Verma, 1 minute. Ma'am, please. Ma'am, 1 minute. Let Shehzad ask that question.
Sawal.
Yeah.
The three farm, one second, these three farm laws, black laws, they are withdrawn. Ravi Srivastava, do you take guarantee that in Punjab or in Maharashtra, you will give the Alu ka Kisan MSP? I want to know from you. Does the aloo ka kisan get MSP today? And if these 3 laws are withdrawn, will he get MSP in Punjab, Maharashtra? You give it in writing, then you ask questions of Prime Minister.
And then go to Kerala to start a fresh agitation there.
Yes, because there's no mandi there.
Yeah.
But then obviously they can't go there because
Achha, let him respond. Let him respond.
They are busy on TV.
New laws will be formed.
New laws. So 60 years you are waiting for what? What were you waiting for 60 years?
What their demand is.
अरे भाई कल ही दे देते ना आपने अभी तक क्यों नहीं दिया आलू के किसान को? आलू से तो सोना निकालना था आपको, आलू के किसान को दे देते।
Okay, now Deepak Jha. Deepak Jha.
This is the answer to your question.
ठीक है मिस्टर श्रीवास्तव, काम डाउन। दीपक झा, आप बताइए क्या ये किसान आंदोलन अभी भी किसान आंदोलन है या अब ये राजनीतिक आंदोलन बन गया है?
प्रणेश, मुझे तो सुन के हंसी आ रही थी कि मैं डिबेट सुन रहा था और शहजाद बोल रहे थे कि आलू से सोना निकालते हैं। अरे इनको पता नहीं है, इस
आपको नहीं पता किसने वो मशीन इजाद की?
मोती,
वो आपके नेता ने मशीन डाली है, आलू से सोना, इधर से आलू, उधर से सोना, इधर से आलू, उधर से सोना।
नरेंद्र मोदी जी का भाषण था, सुन लो, वो आपके गुरु, आपके भगवान
मिलान वाले किसान
गुजरात में सोना आलू डालेंगे सोना निकलेगा। अरे सुन लो, और मुझे बड़ी
बोलिए दीपक जी, बोलिए।
हाथ जोड़ के शहजाद से और संजू वर्मा जी से
बोलो
मुझे बड़ी खुशी होगी, मुझे बड़ी खुशी होगी जिस दिन मेरे देश का किसान शहजाद की तरफ बैठ के टीवी पे डिबेट करेगा, 5 स्टार होटल कल्चर का फॉलो करेगा। मुझे बड़ी खुशी होगी।
70 साल तक क्यों नहीं किया? 70 साल तक आपने केवल ऐसी नीतियां बनाई जिससे 3 लाख किसानों ने आत्महत्या कर ली। आपने केवल बिचौलियों को समर्थन देने के लिए कानून बनाया। ऐसा किसान कानून आपने क्यों नहीं बनाया 70 साल में? MS स्वामीनाथन की रिपोर्ट जब आई 2008 में, तो 2014 तक लागू क्यों नहीं की? भूपिंदर सिंह हुड्डा की 2010 की रिपोर्ट,
they did put it in the manifesto. To be fair to Congress did put it in the manifesto. Then they had a change of heart. They had a change of heart.
इस देश के एक और सवाल, एक सेकंड, बहुत अच्छा।
We are running out of time. Final.
एक क्विक सवाल। अरे भाई शहजाद पूनावाला की तरह का किसान मत बनाओ। रॉबर्ट वाड्रा को बोलो कि किसानों की जमीन वापस दे दे।
आज निर्मला सीतारमन ने क्या कहा आपने सुना होगा, पार्लियामेंट में क्या कहा होगा सुना, बट अनफॉर्चुनेटली वी रन आउट ऑफ टाइम। संजू वर्मा, you have 30 seconds, make your point, you have the last word on the show, go.
गांधी जो भगौड़ा जीवी हैं उनके लिए बहुत सही बात कही निर्मला सीतारमन जी ने।
All right. First it was Haryana, now the Kisan Union leaders are targeting Gujarat. Tomorrow it could well be another state, but there are those who still believe that this Andolan is about Kisan. We leave it at that. It's for the viewers to decide. Thank you all of you, Shehzad, Sanju Verma, Ravi Srivastav, Deepak Jha, for joining us on debate number 2 on Times Now.